Wait, look at this. This looks like a real UGC creator talking on camera, but it was made from just one image and some text. In this video, I'll show you the full process. Create an avatar image, turn it into a speaking UGC video, and then combine it with your product. Everything I'm doing is inside one AI video studio. You don't need a camera, a mic, or a real actor. And if you want the exact prompts I use, I'll share them in the description. So let's get to the main screen and see how it's work.
So first, this is the main screen. To make a UGC video, we need a base image, either your own photo or a generated avatar. If you don't want to use your real photo, no problem. We'll create a fresh avatar. Go to the image section. On the left, you'll see different features, and on the right, you'll see different models you can choose from. Now I'll click Create Image. This is where you paste your prompt. Your prompt should describe the person, outfit, lighting, background, and camera style. After that, choose any model. I usually pick a pro-style model for sharper details, but you can test any option and see what looks best. Now select the image format. Even though this tutorial is recorded in 16:9, I want my final avatar for Reels, so I'll pick 9:16. Next, choose quality. You'll usually see options like 1K, 2K, and 4K. Choose how many images you want. I'll generate one first. Now tap Generate. Give it a few seconds. And here we go. Look at the details, skin, lighting, and realism. If you want a different pose or facial expression, tap the three dots and choose Regenerate to create a new variation. Once you get a version you like, download it using the download option above. On-screen text, Avatar ready. Now we move to the video section. Here you'll see multiple ways to create videos. Scroll until you find the UGC Templates, UGC Creator area. There are different templates here. I'm going with a general template for a clean UGC-style video. Tap Next. Now upload the avatar image we just created. Once it's uploaded, tap Next. Now you'll write your action prompt. This tells the avatar what to do. Here's the best structure: facial expression, body movement, camera behavior, realism notes. Tap Next, and now write the audio text. This is the exact script your avatar will speak. Tip: keep it conversational, short sentences, and one clear idea at a time. Tap Next again. Here you choose the voice type and the emotion. I'll pick an excited vibe because it feels more like real UGC. Then choose the language. And if you want extra realism, you can add optional background noise, like Lightroom tone, rain, or street ambience. Now tap Generate. It'll process for a moment. And boom, it's ready. The crazy part is, it looks real on the first look. If you didn't know, you'd assume it was filmed normally. If you're happy with it, download it using the download button right here. Now let's do the most useful part, showing your product with the avatar. Go back to the UGC Creator area, choose your template again, and tap Next. Here you upload two things: your avatar image, your product image. This can be a phone screenshot, an app screen, or a physical product photo. Now tap Combine. Give it a few seconds. You'll get a few combined options. Choose the one that looks most natural, then tap Next. Now your action prompt should mention the product clearly. Example action prompt. Hold the product naturally, smile, look into camera for 3 seconds, then slightly tilt the product toward camera. Maintain realistic hand grip, subtle movement, no exaggerated gestures. UGC style, natural lighting. Tap next and paste your audio script. This time it should talk about your product. That's the full workflow. Create the avatar image, make it speak, combine it with your product. If you want my exact prompts, check the description. And if you want more tutorials like this, comment prompts, and I'll share more prompt packs.
If you overthink a lot, this is for you. Meet Sayura. It's a simple affirmation app that helps you speak your truth and affirm